Today I'm going to show you how to use the clipboard history in Windows 11. Ladies and gentlemen, I am going to show you exactly how you can use the clipboard. Clipboard in Windows is super powerful. It's so great. So what you want to do is go and let's say we want to go and search for something. I'm going to go in here and just go into Facebook, and let's just say we are going to go into Facebook here. This is my Facebook page, and you're going to go and let's just have a look for some text. Okay, so here it says log in to claim. All right, let's just copy this. So we're going to click down, drag over it, and this is now highlighted. We're going to use Control C to actually copy that. Okay, so if you'd like to paste this somewhere, you could actually paste it, like perhaps if you go back here, you can actually paste it. All right, but there is another way. Let's say you want to grab a whole bunch of information. So let's say we want to do this. So we're going to copy that. We're also going to go down here. We're going to copy this, and we're going to copy this. Okay, so now we've got a bunch of stuff that we'd like to paste. So let's go back to somewhere that we can paste. And what we can do is we can use the Windows key and V, and this will bring up your clipboard. This will show you everything in your clipboard. Now, there's another things you can do here. You can click on the three dots. Okay, here you can paste as text. So this is the button. You can delete, you can pin, and then you can just clear everything. All right. So essentially what you want to do is just click down on it. Another way of doing this is the period button and enter. Okay, and this will ultimately allow you to see your emojis, GIFs, stickers, and your clipboard. So your your Windows button and period button. So that'll open that up. Okay, so no matter where you are, you'll be able to open that up. And that clipboard is really helpful.